Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be doing an honest review of Good Friday T-shirt design SVG. There will be a link to the sales page we're looking at down in the description. You can check out the sales page for yourself, and of course, if you purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. But as always, my goal is, first of all, to simply show this product to you, and secondly, to give you the information you need to figure out whether or not this is a good product for you in whatever niche or approach to establishing an online income it is that you are trying to achieve. So, this is 20 plus Good Friday t-shirt design. So, the product is pretty upfront about what it is. It's giving you over 20... It says Good Friday. Really, they're more generic Christian and Christian-ish designs that you can use for, obviously not just t-shirts, but you use these for hoodies or jackets, for mugs, for hats, pretty much anything that you can make bumper stickers out of these if you want. Pretty much anything that you can print a design on, you can use these for. So you're getting printable PNG files, editable EPS files, and scalable SVG files. I'm not going to get into what those mean. If they mean nothing to you, you should do a little bit more research on print-on-demand type products and services before you get into this. This is something you can take yourself. If you have, say, a laser cutter or a vinyl cutter, you can use these designs yourself. If you want to set up a print-on-demand business, or rather set these up as print-on-demand products with a print-on-demand business, that to me is a virtually ideal business model because you don't ever have to handle product. You can set things up so that the product simply gets shipped directly to the customer. Okay, so we've got a bunch of these designs here. This is not going to show us, I don't think it shows us 20. I didn't actually count them before. They're basic designs in that it's basically just some altered fonts. We have a few basic kind of old school clip art type, like some of these designs, like the little cross here kind of makes me think of clip art stuff that I was looking at back in the mid 1990s, to be honest, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's a $10 bundle, is going to get you all of the designs. They are editable. You can figure out however you want to market them. You purchase the designs. They are yours. You can't resell the resale rights. But for $10 for these designs, it's not a bad bundle. There are other bundles that are available over here on the sidebar if you want to do more with this particular vendor. I'm a fan. It's just like PLR. Typically, anytime you're getting pre-designed content that you can use, I think the opportunity is good. More or less what it's going to come to in terms of suggesting it to you guys is going to be whether or not, first of all, you want to be involved in any kind of business that would use this type of design, that is print on demand, stickers, t-shirts, etc., etc. And secondly, whether or not you think that you could successfully market these. Now, the Christian merchandise market is massive. I'm sure you have walked down the street and seen somebody who's wearing hats or t-shirts or jackets or something that's got this kind of stuff on it. You've almost certainly seen bumper stickers with Christian slogans on it. Some of these, like Friday, this is not even particularly Christian. I think they're going for kind of a connection with Good Friday, but you could realistically sell this to anybody. And again, it's editable, so presumably you could go in and you could change the font a little bit and make it something that you think would maybe market to a different group. You can change obviously this is showing them all on black t-shirts, but you could change that. You could do white or pink or green or whatever you think. So I think the opportunity is good. I think the price isn't bad for 20 plus. You're paying less than 50 cents per design. So if you think this is going to be useful to you, go check it out. There will be links in the description. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope that's helpful, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.